Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Knowledge Sharing. Before we continue, like us to like and follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments and share our video for more interesting topics. Today we are looking at question number 21 from 2023 June Objective Core Mathematics Examination, and it says find the value of m in the diagram. This is the diagram given, and here the angle m that we are going to find. So we have solution. If you can see this diagram, that this line is parallel to this line, and we can as well extend this line also, and also here is 90 degrees. We can as well extend it down. Here we have a diagram like this, and this is 90 degrees. This exterior angle equals to the sum of these two opposite sides. So now this is 90 degrees. So if you add here and here, which is this place and this place, supposed to give you 90 degrees. Therefore, we have, let's call this A, B, C, D, E, and F. Now we have angle BCE. We have angle BCE equals to angle ECED. CED plus angle CDE. That means angle BCE equals to angle CED, which is 40 degrees, plus this angle, which is, let's say, X, because this is the angle we are going to find. And here BCE is 90 degrees as it is given. Therefore, our X equals to 90 minus 40, and our X equals to 50 degrees. Here we have 50 degrees. Now, as we have 50 degrees here, we can see that this figure here is another figure that when we have this angle here and this angle here, supposed to give us 180 degrees. So angle ABC plus angle CDE equals to 180 degrees. 180 degrees. Reason is sum of opposite angle of a quadrilateral equals to 180 degrees. That's why we have 180 degrees. Now the angle AABC, which is M, plus angle CDE, which is 50 degrees, equals to 180 degrees. Now our M equals to 180 degrees minus 50 equals to 130 degrees. So this is the value of our M here. Number 22, a line L passing through the point 6, minus 13 is parallel to the line which passes through 7, 4 and minus 3, 9. Find the equation of the line L. So we have solution. Our gradient M equals to change in y axis all over change in x axis, which is equals to y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. In this case, for here and here, we have y2 minus y1 as M equals to y2, which is 9 minus y1, which is 4 all over x2, which is minus 3 minus 7, which is x1, equals to 5 all over minus 10. 5 cancel here 1, 5 cancel here 2. So we have minus 1 all over 2 as the gradient. So we have the gradient here. Let's recall the equation of a line, which is y equals to mx plus c. We have been able to get M. So what we are looking for is C. This will be at the point 6, minus 13. So here we are going to substitute the value of x and y into this equation. We have minus 13 equals to M, which is minus 1 all over 2 times x, which is 6, plus C. So here we have minus 13 equals to 2 cancel here 1, 2 cancel here 3. So we have minus 3 plus C. This is the same thing as minus 13 plus 3 equals to C. Therefore, our C equals to minus 10. So the value of our C is minus 10. Now we have C here and we have M here. Let's substitute back into the equation of a line, which is y equals to M, which is minus 1 all over 2 times x plus into minus 10. So here we can have y equals to minus 1 all over 2x minus 10. So this is the same thing as y plus 1 all over 2x plus 10 equals to 0. So this is the equation of the line. Number 23. An empty cylindrical tank is 140 cm in diameter. If 200 liters of water is poured into the tank, calculate correct to nearest centimeters the height of the water in the tank. Take pi equals to 22 all over 7. So we have solution. Here we are given diameter as 140 cm. So when diameter equals to 140, then radius will be 140 all over 2, which is 70 cm. Now the volume of the water is in liters, while we are asked to present our answer in centimeters. Therefore, 1000 cm squared equals to 1 liter. So in this case, we have 200 liters. So it's going to be 1000 times 200 equals to the volume, which is equals to 200,000 cm squared. So that is the volume of the water in the tank. Now, for us to have the height, the formula for the volume, which is V equals to pi r squared h. And we said that our radius is 70, then our volume is 200,000. So we are going to substitute. We have 200,000 equals to pi is 22 all over 7 times 70, which is the radius, times another 70 times h. In this case, 7 will cancel here, 7 will cancel here. Then we have 200,000 equals to 22 times 700 h. Here we have our h will be 200,000 all over. When we calculate this one, it's going to give us 1540. So we divide this, we punch this, it's going to give us 12.987 cm cube. No, cm, because it is the height. Now we are asked to correct the nearest cm. So our height, which is h, will be 13 cm. So that is the height of the cylinder. 24. Mrs. Heber stands at the distance of 110 meters away from the building of a vertical height 58 meters. If Heber is 2 meters tall, find the angle of elevation of the top of the building from our height. So from our own eyes, the angle of elevation from the top of the building, we have this way: the height, the vertical height is 58. Then the distance is 110. Now we have the top of the building somewhere here. This is where she stands to this place. So in this case, here from that top of the building, this is the top of the building. Now we have this place as 2 cm. It's given the building is Mrs. Keber's tall is 2 cm. And also for us to find this place, let's call this place A, B, C, D, and E. For us to find AB, we are going to subtract 58 minus 2, which is 56 meters. So here is 56 meters. So this is the angle that we are going to find. Now, this is a trigonometric ratio problem, and we are going to recall that tan theta equals to opposite all over adjacent. So in this case, tan theta, our opposite is 56 degrees, and our adjacent is 110. So here we have tan theta equals to 56 all over 110. So when we divide this, it's going to give us 0.5090. So we have our theta equals to tan inverse of 0.5090. So our theta is going to be, when we punch this, is going to be 26.980. So when we correct to the nearest degree, we have theta equals to 27 degrees. So this is the angle at which the top of the eye from the building, from where Mrs. Keber stands to look at the top of the building. 25. Find the mean deviation of the set of numbers 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So now this we have solution. Our mean deviation equals to x minus mean all over n, summation of x minus mean all over x. Now we need to find the value of mean. Mean, which is m, equals to the summation of all this number all over n, which is 14 plus 15 plus 16 plus 17 plus 18 plus 19 all over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all over 6. So here we have our mean, which is x bar, equals to, if you add all this, we are going to have 99 all over 6, which is equals to 16.5. Our mean is 16.5. Then for us to find this, we are going to form a table that we have x, and we also have x minus the mean, and also the absolute value of x minus the mean. So this way, we're going to have 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So here we have mean, which is 16.5 minus 14 is going to be minus 2.5. Here minus 1.5. Here minus 0.5. Here will be 0.5. Here will be 1.5. And here will be 2.5. For the absolute value, that means this minus 2.5 will be 2.5, 1.5, 0.5, then 0.5 again, 1.5, then 2.5. Then when we sum all this, summation of all this is going to give us 9. So here our mean deviation, which is MD, will be equals to the summation of x minus the mean all over the number, which is m, equals to 9 all over the number, which is 6. So 9 all over 6 is equals to 1.5. So 9 all over 6 is 1.5. So this is the mean deviation of this question. If you like what we are doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share our video for more interesting topics. Thank you.